Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to create jaw-dropping AI-generated images without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Dreamina, an amazing tool by CapCut that makes generating stunning AI images as easy as pie. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just someone who loves experimenting with new tech, Dreamina is the perfect tool for you. Dreamina is a cutting-edge AI image generation tool by CapCut, designed to help you create beautiful, high-quality images in just a few clicks. It's very similar to other tools you might have heard of, like Leonardo.ai. But there's a big difference. Dreamina is completely free. With Dreamina, you can generate images for your projects, social media, or even just for fun, without any technical skills required. No hidden costs, no subscriptions, just pure creativity at your fingertips. Someone who loves experimenting with new tech. Dreamina is the perfect tool for you. Now, let's talk about why Dreamina might be a better choice for you compared to other popular AI image generation tools like Leonardo.ai, DALL-E, and Midjourney. One of the biggest advantages of Dreamina is that it's totally free. While other platforms often require you to purchase credits, subscribe to a plan, or deal with frustrating limitations, Dreamina lets you generate as many images as you want without spending a penny. And here's something really cool. Let's say you're on a tight budget and you're worried about running out of credits. Look at this. My account shows 0 credits, but when I click Create, the button says Try Free. And boom! I can generate as many images as I want, totally free. Hooray! This is something you won't find on platforms like Leonardo.ai, where you often hit a wall with free trials or limited credits. So if you're looking to create without constraints, Dreamina is definitely the way to go. Now, here's where Dreamina really shines compared to other tools like Leonardo, AI, DALL-E, and Midjourney. These other platforms often struggle to generate an exact image from an input image. You might need to use methods like consistent character or consistent outfit prompts to get close, but even then, the results aren't always perfect. Plus, if you lose the history of those settings or prompts, you might have to start from scratch, which can be incredibly frustrating and time-consuming. Dreamina, on the other hand, keeps it simple and accurate, ensuring that your character remains consistent across different images without any extra hassle. Wow, look at this! The AI-generated image is practically a mirror image of the original. It's incredible how Dreamina captures every detail, every nuance, exactly the same. Just look at how perfectly it replicates the character, from the expression to the outfit. This is truly next-level AI magic. Let's quickly go over the sign-up process so you can start creating right away. Head over to the Dreamina website, and you'll see a straightforward sign-up page. Just enter your email, create a password, and you're in. No complicated forms, no hidden fees. Just instant access to the tools you need. Once you're signed up, you'll see how clean and user-friendly the interface is. You'll be ready to create in no time. Since I already have an account, I won't go through the entire process, but as you can see, it's really simple. You can choose to sign up using your Gmail account, TikTok, Facebook, email, which we talked about earlier, or even your CapCut account. I will sign in with Google. Account Let's look how simple is it. If you sign up first time, Google will show confirmation page first. By the way, the voice you're hearing right now was actually generated using 11 Labs. Pretty cool, right? If you're interested in creating high-quality AI voices for your projects, you can join using my referral link. I've placed it in the description below and in the I button up here. And while you're at it, I've also included links to both Leonardo and Dreamina, so you can explore and compare these awesome AI tools. Don't forget to check them out. Just a heads up, these are referral links, so I might earn a small commission if you decide to sign up through them at no additional cost to you. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now, let's see how Dreamina stacks up against Leonardo in a real-world test. Let's generate the image using same prompt in both tools, and we're going to compare the results. The prompt I am going to use is generated by ChatGPT, and let's paste in both tools and wait for magic. I set same image dimension and aspect ration in both tools for unbiased comparison. Let's wait. Oh, look at that! Dreamina actually outperformed Leonardo, not only in terms of the stunning results, but also in the time it took to generate the images. Dreamina was faster, delivering high-quality images without any delay. And here's what I love about Dreamina. The image quality is right on par with Leonardo, and I didn't have to worry about any credit limitations or costs. Dreamina really delivers, especially when you're looking for high-quality, unlimited image generation without breaking the bank. Check out the details here, the colors, the textures, the overall composition. Dreamina handles it all with precision, making it a fantastic alternative to Leonardo. Plus, with Dreamina being completely free, it's an unbeatable choice for anyone wanting to dive into AI image generation. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Dreamina and start generating your own AI masterpieces today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot, and it helps me bring you more awesome content. Also, drop a comment below to share your thoughts or let me know what you'd like to see next. I love hearing from you, and of course, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I've got a full in-depth tutorial on Dreamina coming up, where we'll dive deeper into advanced features and tips to get the most out of this powerful tool, so stay tuned.